and we are learning Microsoft project in an easy way. In previous videos, we have just discussed about the task entry, placing of the durations, and placing of the predecessors to connect the different activities. In last video, we have discussed that there are 4 types of connection between the activities, that is finish to start, that is the default setting of the Microsoft project. Then we can have a relationship between the task as a start to start, start to finish, and finish to finish. Just to practice these once again, we can place the activities like this. We can like this. I have started this 2 days apart, and then further I can, this is the finish to start relationship. I can have again, now I want to give a finish to finish relationship with 3 days gap. You see, this is a finish to finish relationship between these 2 activities. Then we can have start to start relationship as well, like this. If we place it start to start, you see now there are start to start relationship with the 3 days gap apart. We can connect 2 activities as well simultaneously with some other task, like if we want to make it also connection with the 13, and by this we can connect these 2 activities. So gentlemen, you can see we have just used the different sort of connection between the task by placing different type of connections between in the predecessors. Now we will learn about how to place the work breakdown structure. This is the, you can see that this is a project construction. There are 4 tasks: initiation, planning, execution, and closure. These are the 4 phases of this project. Like Excel, I can just insert, you need to insert the column over here. Once you will insert the column, you can add this WBS. That is a work breakdown structure. You see 1.1, 1.11, these are the work breakdown structure tasking, and these are also used during the finalization of the project management plan. So these numbering of the work breakdown structures used to be termed during the project management plan. So this is very important. We must have these work breakdown structure numbering with us against each activities. View it in a different way as well. If I will click this and this, the activities and the task will be merged into the headings of that, like this. I want to expand it, I have to click it again, and then it will be expanded. I can do it in a other way. I have to go to the view bar, and then from the outline, if I will click this level 1, it will give me the level 1. If I will go to level 2, it is going to give me the level 2 of the project. And if I will go to level 3, it will explain the level 3 of this project. Okay, another thing we can discuss in this video, that is just you can see above, this is a timeline. We can use this timeline for our briefing to the senior management. How we can use it? We can just plug these tasks in on this timeline. How to do this? You have to just select it. You will right click and then add to timeline. It will be added over here. Initiation has come up. You can do the same thing to the planning. Add to timeline. It will also has been placed. Now you see that you have placed just this task over here, and you can just make a right click and you can copy for the email for the presentation, and you can just produce it to your senior management in this way. It is a very good thing for the updation of the senior management. I'm sure in this small video we have learned, we have just first practiced about the placing of the different connections for the different tasks in the Microsoft, and then by placing the WBS, and then tagging these active tasks on the timeline for the appraisal of the senior management. Thank you very much.